Hello everyone, this is Professor Haig, and this short video, which is a video of the screen, is to give you a little background on navigating our Canvas website. As you look at my cursor here, I'm looking at the sections or the tabs that we have in the course. I have the home, the announcements, the syllabus, which I strongly suggest that you print it out and keep it for your records, the modules, and the way I have the modules broken down is by week and by chapter. Discussion, I have all the discussions here in this tab. That includes the introduction to the class that you have to post, general questions that you may have, and the discussion area that we have for each of the chapters we will be covering in our course. The assignments, all the assignments will be listed here, and all the assignments that we will be doing, homework, practice quizzes, the midterm, and the final exam will be located, as you know, in the homework management system Connect, which there will be a tab up here soon once I complete the course. Grades, this is your grade book, and I update this every Monday morning with the grades from the weekend prior. Converse Zoom, in case we have a Zoom conference, I'll set up a link in this tab. The other tabs we won't be using that very much, so we'll go over those later. If you have any questions, please send me an email, and I strongly suggest that you take maybe 30 to 45 minutes just to see how things are laid out throughout the Canvas class. Thank you.